Replacing the AdBlue filter on a Scania 420P-XT. Grab your 46mm spanner, crack off the housing. He might be a little bit stiff if he's crystallised. Pull the housing off and pull the rubber cap off. You can do it without spilling everywhere. I just yanked it off. Now do yank the filter off. It's just an O-ring, he will come out. Put the new one in, no grease, no oil, it destroys AdBlue systems. It will just click up in there. Put the new rubber boot over if you got one, put the old one on otherwise. Put the old filter housing back on, torque it a spec, and you're sorted. Always replace O-rings with the filter. Grease or oil can help create a better seal, and torque the caps to the manufacturer's specification. Lightly lubricate threads to prevent seizing, and consult the workshop manual for more information.